If the job is well done, people don't realize you are there. If something goes wrong, then they search for audio engineers. Otherwise, everything is working. People should not realize audio engineer is working. Basically, I'm an audio engineer in the field of media. So anything technical aspect related to audio in media will be taken care by audio engineer. Like all the content which you see online, an engineer has worked on it. Like multiple engineers worked on it because there are a lot of aspects to it. So like the audio engineers like all the technical aspects. Like I also work as a music producer. So basically, music producers they create music, and audio engineer they like music production, music composition, all the musical aspects of the music or any media. Audio engineering, all the technical aspects. Basically, an audio engineer works on all the aspects of the technical part of audio. There are various fields in audio engineering. It can be from like when you go for a concert, there are audio engineers there. When you attend a conference, there are audio engineers there. Even like when you listen to when you're going to a club, when you're listening to music anywhere, like an audio engineer has worked on it. So like audio engineers everywhere, but like people don't know about. Anyone who is more inclined towards music, they really like technology. They really like to learn about the new technology or the new softwares, new hardware which are coming out. Like kind of nerds in audio technology or any kind of technology, they are good with computers and they really love audio, they really love music. They can try to get into this because most of the people, those who get into this, they want to get into music, but when you search online or anywhere else, all you see is audio engineering. So like people don't know. Some people are there, they want to make music, but the courses and the data which is online is only for audio engineers. So they get into audio engineering and they feel I will create music or something, but no, that's not how it is. So, but if you want to get into it, the people, those who are good, interested in audio or music and good with technology, they really like technology, they can get into it. Generally, physics would be a good thing to learn, and that's it. Basically, it is like if you really like technology, if you really like to learn about computers, new technology, what is coming out, the new softwares. Right now, the AI machine learning thing is like on hype. So if you're keen on that, because we also use it, and you really like consoles, big machines, and you're interested in music, then no one's stopping you, because like I'm saying physics, and in FTI you require physics, but I really don't know the speed of sound and I don't care about it, because like for our job is how to manipulate that. Like we don't have to do any calculations, we don't have to sit do that, but there are people those who do it. Like for example, the software, the hardware what we use are also made by audio engineers. Like there are the companies which make software and the hardware, there are audio engineers there, and definitely they will require to have a good knowledge of physics and electronics, because that's what we use generally. So if you plan to go and building a hardware, building a software, then definitely you should do a computer science, get into specialize in sound engineering or electronics for hardware, physics, yes. But if you really want to just be like us, like be in media, work in a studio or work in a live environment like a concert or or conference halls or a ballroom, auditorium, then you don't need any kind of qualification. Like what do you call? You don't have to catch any steam. Even if you do arts, you can get into it. Like you don't have to specifically take science. Basically, in different role, like for example, if you're looking at a live concert, so if there's a concert going on, all the musicians, all the singers, those who are there, all the feedback from their instrument or the mic will come to a console, and you have to balance that. So all that balancing part, even the guitarist, all the instruments, they want to listen to their voice, because on the stage you are able to kind of listen to everyone, but you want to listen to what you are playing. A singer wants to listen to his voice. A guitarist wants to listen to his what he's playing. A bass player wants his bass. So you need to give them that back so that they know what they are playing, and you want all the audience to have like a good listening experience. So all that balancing part is taken care by the engineer. If you're looking at in studio part, there can be two. You can work in music industry or working in films and OTT platform stuff. In broadcasting also you can work. In broadcasting, if you're working for Netflix, Amazon, or a TV or a radio broadcasting, your job will be if you receive an audio file or a video file, you see whether technically everything is correct. There is no glitch in the audio. There is no audio cuts. Like when consumer is playing on their devices, that it will not damage that their components. So there are technical specification what people follow. So broadcast engineers, they look into that. Then studio part, the music part will come. The engineer will help in recording the vocalists. They will help in recording all the instrument. They will receive files from the music producer. Then they will align everything. They will mix everything. If there are edits, they will edit that. So this can be a part in music. In the post, there is a lot of work to do. As in, once, for example, a movie's short edited, if they feel that we need to record the whole movie, we need to re-record all the dialogues. So a recording engineer will call the artist. They will record the whole movie. So you have to do the lip syncing part. You have to see whether, suppose someone is very far away. So when you're recording it, the person should sound that he is far away. So it's even the